All right, we got a good one for you today. This bike came to me yesterday from Panama City Beach, Florida. The owner just purchased it. Says it had been sitting for a couple years, so we don't know much about it. What we do know is that it's a 2006 and it has a Mikuni 42 on it. For those of you that don't know, that's a carburetor, a good carburetor. It's styled really nice. It's got a sort of a modern look to it, so whoever did it did a real good job with it. The paint's really nice. Chrome fork legs, nice floorboards. I like the paint design and the colors. It's got a nice radio on it, so it should be fun. So we're going to take this one in later on this morning and see what we can come up with. Probably just gonna have to put a battery in it. They did say the battery was no good, so we'll probably put a battery in it and see if it'll turn over. Might spray some starting fluid in it, see if it'll fire off. If it will, we'll put some fuel in it and go from there. So hang tight. We'll get it in there and see what'll happen. All right, we got it in here and got it on the lift. First thing we're going to do is pull the battery and install a new one and see if this thing will even turn over. We decided to go ahead and pull the breather. Looks like there's some evidence of it needing a fuel line. You can see there's no clamp on the fuel line there, and that's kind of an old fuel line, so we're going to replace that. We're going to pull the float bowl, make sure everything's clean in there. There's some evidence right there of old fuel. You can see that. So we're going to go ahead and just pull the carb and pull the bowl. All right, we did find both the main and the slow jet were clogged. So we're going on there now with some new fuel line. We created a vacuum block off right here. That was also causing an issue. And we're about to put the carburetor back in place, send the fuel line through, connect it to the petcock. Then we'll put the battery in it and see if it'll fire off. And of course, you got to go in with a new set of spark plugs just to start from zero. New batteries going in. So we're getting close. Just got to get some fuel put in it now. All right, we just put fuel in it. Go ahead and turn the fuel on, pull the choke, and let's see what it'll do. Go ahead, Tony. One more time. Put the choke off. Oh boy. She fired right off. All right, what we're going to do now, all right, it's running. So what we're going to do now is check the oil levels and warm it up, and then we'll see if we can adjust the carburetor a little bit, make it run a little better. It does. It sounds nice.
That was right.
It ain't gonna get no better than that. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to y'all later.